Now there ain't a damn thing that's ever happened in Chiron that I ain't know about. That gives me what you might call a unique perspective, which comes in handy now and then. Take for instance ghosts. You know, specters and phantoms, vampires, the undead of all sorts. Most folks will tell you that ghosts come from extreme circumstances, a traumatic death, an unavenged betrayal, a depraved killing. They couldn't be more wrong. See, I know the man what moves the soul after the body goes. He ain't leaving behind those that have been wronged. Ghosts ain't about quality of death. They're about quantity. See, sometimes that old boy gets very busy. Can't keep up with them. Maybe a war is on. Maybe it's a flood or a fire. Too many lives to process, and some are bound to slip through the cracks. After all, the truth is, all death is traumatic. But don't get me wrong. Every now and then, the ghost does want a little revenge. But that ain't supernatural. That's just numbers.